Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by cutting power to isolate the fault. First, unplug the console and controller and wait a full minute. This clears transient electronic states. Once done, press and hold the Xbox button on the console for 10 seconds until it powers off. This forces a hard shutdown rather than a sleep state. Make sure to plug into a different wall outlet or disable power strips to ensure the socket isn't the problem. These steps verify whether the issue is temporary or hardware-related. Next, you examine the power path and boot behavior. Check the power brick LED. Steady means OK, blinking often indicates overload, and off suggests no power. Once checked, reconnect the brick and cables firmly. If you have a spare cable or brick, swap it to confirm. Power on while holding the eject and bind buttons to force a low-resolution or troubleshooting boot if available. This bypasses some software hangs and helps determine if firmware or a connected device is blocking shutdown. For final steps, try a soft reset through settings first. This preserves games and often clears corrupt states that prevent shutdown. If that fails, backup saves to the cloud or an external drive and perform a factory reset. This removes deep software issues that block power commands. Make sure to test shutdown after each step. If the console still won't turn off, record LEDs and behaviors, and contact Xbox support or a qualified technician. This information speeds diagnosis and avoids unnecessary parts replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.